right, welcome back, guys. Today we're taking a look at the 43-inch Sony X85k HDR TV. We're going to get right into it, so let's open up the box and see what's inside. Aside from the TV, you've got the operating instructions, a quick setup guide, the power cord, a set of AAA batteries, the remote, and 2 base stands. So you've got the basic essentials there. And the setup process is really simple if you opt to use the base stands because no screws are required. You just slide each stand into its designated slot until it clicks into place. And the stands are very secure in the slot, so you don't have to worry about them sliding out if you lift the TV. There are also 4 holes in the back of the TV designated for mounting, so those should help make the process easier if you decide to mount instead. As far as the measurements, you're looking at 37.95 inches wide by 22.17 inches tall. And the depth is about 3 inches, not including the base stands. Once you add the base stand, the overall depth becomes 11.26 inches. So yeah, this TV is very compact and it only comes to about 23 pounds with the base stands, which makes the setup process manageable for one person. Now taking a look at the design, you can see that the TV has really thin flush bezels around the frame, which gives the TV a nice sleek look. And the stands are also pretty thin, so the overall design is very cohesive. The stands also have a triangular formation, so they provide great stability despite being so thin. You've also got the power button, which is located underneath the Sony logo. And aside from turning on the TV, you can use this button to change the volume, the input, or the channel if you lose the remote. So that's really nice because a lot of modern TVs have removed the ability to do these things directly on the TV. Moving over to the ports on the back of the TV, it has your standard coaxial connection. It comes with a total of 4 HDMI ports, and one of those ports does support eARC, which gives you the options as far as high quality external audio. It also has 2 USB ports, an Ethernet port, an optical audio port, and a headphone jack. So this TV can definitely sustain various connections at once. Once you turn on the TV, it will take you through the setup. And this is an Android TV, so it comes with Google TV software already installed. So you will have immediate access to the most popular streaming apps, and you can select from thousands of other apps in the Google Play Store. Overall, the process doesn't take too long, and you can complete the setup through the Google Home app on your phone or tablet if you want to speed up the process. Once you access actual content, you can see that the images produced are extremely clear and vivid. The X85K uses Triluminous Pro and Live Color technology to give you a very colorful high contrast image. This TV employs dynamic contrast enhancers, 4K X Reality Pro clarity enhancers, along with HDR technology to construct lifelike images. The TV has a LCD display with direct LED backlighting, and it features light sensors and frame dimming to adjust the TV's brightness based on the surrounding environment. You can also switch between vivid, standard, cinema, game, graphics, and custom picture modes depending on your current use for the TV. In terms of audio, the TV uses Bass Reflex X balanced speakers, which are actually really nice for TV speakers. Speakers use 20 watt total, which is sufficient for casual use, but as always, I do recommend investing in a soundbar if you want the in-home cinema experience, or if you're really particular about sound quality. Otherwise, these speakers should hold up for the average user. The TV is also equipped with Bluetooth, so you have the option of wireless audio as well. As for gaming, this TV does offer a 120 Hz variable refresh rate for HDMI ports 3 and 4, which should allow for fairly smooth gameplay. It also has an automatic low latency mode for ports 3 and 4 to reduce lag. And if you connect to a PlayStation 5, this TV utilizes auto HDR tone mapping and auto genre picture mode to maximize gaming picture quality. So overall, I think this is a really nice TV. I'd say the biggest con is the price, but that's pretty much expected with a Sony TV. If you're interested, make sure to check out the link down in the description to get the most up-to-date price. So that's going to cover it for today's video. Please like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video. And if you're interested in seeing more videos like this, feel free to comment below with products that you would like to see us review. Thank you for watching, and as always, stay tuned for more.